Today we're going to talk about consonant Q. So the Spanish Q always appears in combination with the letters U, is pronounced like the K in the word kid, but without puff of air. Alright, so combination with U and pronounced like K, so it's interesting. And let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Alright,
K,
K. So it's not que, it's K. K. Q is like K.
aquí,
Aquí, here.
quién,
Quién, who.
Aquel,
Aquel, that.
queso,
Queso, cheese.
15,
Quince, 15, the number 15.
Listen and repeat.
Spanish speaker from Spain.
qué,
Que,
aquí,
aquí,
quién,
quien,
aquel,
aquel,
queso,
queso. Let me just repeat the previous one.
aquel,
Okay, L is flat, so it's aquel.
queso,
Queso,
15,
quince.
Listen and repeat.
So this is a Latin American, South American, Peru.
que,
South America. Okay, que,
aquí,
aquí,
quién,
quien,
aquel,
aquel,
queso,
queso,
15.
quince.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, so we have completed yet another exercise. So the takeaway is that consonant Q is pronounced like K, right? The letter K, just like K in the word kid. And Q is most often found in combinations with U. So pretty straightforward at that. So in the next video, I'll be looking at diphthong UA. So until then, see you next time.